So today I've got the 362 here, and I bought a Egan Performance one-shot fridge finally. So this is the superseded piece. You could request this, at least on my 500 you could. They put a deflector on it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're rip it apart and put this bad boy on there. I'm highly satisfied. I recommend one for any saw you got if he makes it for it. Thanks, Egan. And the 500, it really woke it up, you know. And I don't port or polish the heads or nothing like that, which I know that's an awesome thing to do, but I ain't that deep into the saws yet. And porting and polishing is an art, and I'm still in my incipient stages of that art, learning on vehicles like bikes and stuff. So, but yeah, man, this will be cool, and maybe I'll pop it off real quick. I just was debating on, you know, being warm when I change it out and stuff. I'd have to let it cool, which wouldn't matter. But yeah, I'm not sure if I give it 2. But yeah, thanks, guys. Freaking thing like a moron. Well-loved 362C-M. Come on Monday when I'm off of work. See how this baby burns, get 3 tanks through her, and my dyno finger already feels better. Thanks, guys. See ya. MS 362 Egan one-shot with the new piece. I did run it a little bit for the test, but now we'll let it warm up, and I don't know if I'll burn a tank, but we're gonna get it popping, so.